Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about keeping your engine running at its best, hit subscribe right now for more honest automotive reviews. Check the links in the description for the best current deals, and drop a comment with your vehicle and experience. I read them all. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 performance spark plugs that deliver faster ignition, smoother acceleration, and better efficiency, so you don't waste money on the wrong set. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 battery disconnect switches that can protect your vehicle, extend battery life, and save you from expensive headaches. Starting at number 5, we have the NGK 3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs. These plugs feature a platinum center electrode designed to reduce wear and maintain a consistent spark over time. They're built with a trivalent metal plating for superior anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties, and they're typically pre-gapped depending on application, which saves time during installation. The fine wire center electrode improves ignitability, and the tapered ground electrode helps reduce quenching for better combustion efficiency. They're designed as a direct OEM replacement for many vehicles and offer a solid balance between longevity and performance without stepping up to full iridium pricing. In real-world use, the G-Power Platinum plugs are a fantastic upgrade from standard copper plugs. You'll notice smoother idling and more responsive throttle input, especially in daily drivers. They're ideal for drivers who want dependable performance without overspending. NGK has a strong reputation for quality control, and these plugs hold up well under normal commuting and light performance use. The only minor drawback is that they don't last quite as long as premium iridium options, but for the price, they're still an excellent value. Moving up to number 4, the AC Delco 41E962 Professional Platinum Spark Plug delivers a double platinum design, meaning both the center electrode and ground electrode feature platinum pads. This design reduces wear on distributor-based ignition systems and enhances durability in modern engines. It includes a one-piece suppressor seal that blocks radio frequency interference and engine misfires, and the pure copper core helps maximize conductivity and heat transfer. Built to meet OEM specifications, it's designed for precise fitment in many GM vehicles and other compatible engines. On the road, these plugs shine in stock or lightly modified engines that need consistent, reliable ignition. They're especially strong in vehicles originally equipped with platinum plugs from the factory. Cold starts feel smoother, and throttle hesitation often disappears once these are installed. For GM owners, this is a smart, confidence-inspiring choice. The only downside is that they're not as performance-focused as iridium plugs, but for OEM-level reliability, they're hard to beat. At number 3, we have the Pack of 8 Motorcraft Genuine Spark Plugs. These are typically built to exact OEM specifications for many Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles, featuring a platinum or iridium-enhanced firing tip depending on the specific model. They're engineered for precise heat range control, proper electrode gap, and direct factory compatibility. The set of 8 makes them ideal for V8 engines, and they're designed to integrate perfectly with Ford ignition systems, ensuring optimal combustion and emissions performance. From experience, Motorcraft plugs are about maintaining factory performance at its best. If you drive a Ford truck or SUV and want it to run exactly how it did when it rolled off the lot, these are the plugs to use. They provide consistent idle quality, stable fuel economy, and long service intervals when installed correctly. They're not flashy performance plugs, but they're incredibly dependable. The only minor drawback is that they're primarily suited for Ford applications, limiting their versatility for other brands. Now we're getting into serious performance territory at number 2 with the NGK 6619 Iridium Spark Plugs. These feature a fine-wire iridium center electrode that's extremely durable and requires lower voltage to fire, which improves ignition efficiency. The laser-welded iridium tip enhances longevity, and the tapered ground electrode supports better flame propagation. Iridium construction means they can last significantly longer than platinum or copper alternatives, often exceeding 100,000 miles in many applications. They're designed for precise OEM fitment while delivering a noticeable performance edge. In real driving conditions, these plugs make a difference you can feel. Acceleration becomes sharper, throttle response improves, and high rev performance feels cleaner and more consistent. They're an excellent choice for drivers who demand more from their engines, whether that's spirited daily driving or mild performance upgrades. The durability alone makes them worth the investment. The only downside is the higher upfront cost, but the extended lifespan easily justifies it. And finally, at number 1, the Denso NAR 4504 Platinum TT spark plugs take the top spot. These plugs use Denso's twin-tip technology, featuring a platinum center electrode and a titanium-enhanced ground electrode designed to create a larger spark area while maintaining efficiency. The 1.1 mm center electrode improves ignitability, while the twin-tip design enhances flame growth and combustion stability. They're engineered for fuel efficiency, smooth starts, and long-lasting performance. This 6-piece set makes them ideal for 6-cylinder engines, and they're built to meet or exceed OEM standards in many applications. What sets these apart is how balanced they feel. You get improved fuel economy, quicker starts, and smoother acceleration without sacrificing longevity. In everyday driving, the engine feels more refined and responsive, especially under load. Denso's manufacturing quality is top tier, and the twin-tip design genuinely improves combustion efficiency. They're perfect for drivers who want a noticeable performance upgrade without jumping to full racing-style components. The only small drawback is that they may not offer the extreme lifespan of premium iridium plugs, but overall, they deliver exceptional value and performance. At the end of the day, the right spark plug depends on your vehicle and your goals. If you want affordable reliability, the NGK G-Power is a smart choice. For OEM-grade consistency, AC Delco and Motorcraft are excellent picks. If you want stronger ignition and long service life, the NGK Iridium is a performance-focused upgrade. And if you're looking for the best balance of efficiency, responsiveness, and everyday drivability, the Denso Platinum TT takes the crown. Whichever you choose, upgrading your spark plugs is one of the simplest ways to unlock smoother power and better fuel economy. Make sure you subscribe for more honest automotive reviews. Check the links in the description for the best deals available right now, and drop your vehicle model or questions in the comments. I'm here to help you get the most out of your ride.